Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the purple brick bloom seed in Heartopia. So in this modular street event, Heartopia introduced a brand new flower that called brick bloom flower like this. And then you can buy these seeds from the starter seed at the NPC plant in 3 colors, red, white, and yellow. But don't worry, you can unlock many more colors using crossbreeding for this starter seed. And today I will show you how to get the purple one. And first make sure you already have the with brick bloom and black brick bloom. And if you don't know how to obtain it, just check the tutorial link in the description to watch the tutorial. And then now for the breeding setup, you can plan these combinations, these two color combinations like this. Like just blend them close to each other, like the peach one and then black one and then black one, and blend them close to the another black one like this. Just place them side by side like this, and you can just copy my layout if you want. And then after planting just water them and wait until they bloom, but don't harvest the flower yet. Just keep watering daily, and eventually you will see a floating seeds appear above the plants. That means the crossbreeding work. And usually these seeds will appear in the morning in the game. And to speed up, you can ask your friends to help water your plants, because my experience, this is really increases the spawn rate of the crossbreeding seeds. And in my case, I got these purple seeds from the black and peach flower. And okay, that's how you can get the purple brick bloom seeds in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!